slimy chemistry lesson today. Raise your hand if you know what a chemical reaction is.
Mommy knows.
Your mom knows? What about what's going to happen to the leaves in the fall? What happens to the trees, the leaves on the trees? And they turn colors, right?
Yeah.
So anytime something changes colors, that's a good clue that it might be a chemical change. So everyone come get a turn to watch this chemical change happen. Do you guys see the bubbles forming?
Yeah.
The bubbles are another clue that we have made a chemical change. So this is what it's going to look like. Is this so slippery and slimy? So it kind of looks like a liquid, right? But then when it goes in the container, it takes a shape like a solid. It's called a viscous substance. Everybody say viscous. But it's really slimy and fun. So you guys don't